Not ready for that anymore. Come out clean. Come and clear your name. Your name is being messed up. Are you ready for that? Is the Jackie ready enough for Jamal Kasiogi? Are you ready? Come on. Let us know. Come and talk to us. Come and tell us.
Yeah, call them out.
Come on.
Stop peeping.
You people peeping to us through windows.
Stop peeping.
We need somebody to talk to us. We need answers. We've been here for the past 13 days and we have no answers. Come and talk to us. We are human beings. We can listen. We are not going to kill you like the way you killed Jamal Kasiogi. No. Come out.
Yeah, come out.
Come out. Come and talk to us. We need our brother. That's all. That's the only thing we need. We don't need visas to Turkey. No. We just need to know where our brother is.
And we won't stop coming.
And we won't give up until he's produced dead or alive. Because we are not ready for another Jamal Kasiogi. No more Jamal Kasiogi.
No more Jamal Khashoggi. No more Jamal Khashoggi. No more Jamal Khashoggi.
We are not ready for another Jamal Kasiogi. We are not ready and we are not about to give up until you give him to us dead or alive. And if you bring him dead, you'll tell us why you killed him. Yes.
This is Suga, Massachusetts. We are live at the Turkish Embassy. This is day 13 of demanding freedom for our brother Fred Lumbuye Ku, who was kidnapped 13 days ago. And we are telling these guys that this is just the beginning. We will not give up, we will not back down, we shall not hide our heads in the sand like they think they will play us. We are here, we've been here, and we are telling them we will not accept another Khashoggi incident from happening to our brother. And apparently the ambassador of Turkey in Uganda earlier came out and said he was quoted saying that Fred Lumbuye, Ugandan government critic, violated government rules in Uganda, and they will do anything in the hands of the Turkish authority to ensure that he serves justice. Now we are asking them, where is Fred Lumbuye Ku? If they know that Fred Lumbuye Ku was actually violated the international laws of against the government of Uganda, where is he? It's been 13 days and he's being detained somewhere in Turkey. We have rumors spreading around and we are saying we are not buying into the rumor. We are not buying into the rumor. We want the reality. We want facts. We want end-to-end news, actually facts about the whereabouts of our brother, Fred Lumbuye Ku.
We need him dead or alive. Otherwise, we are not ready for another Jamal Kasiogi. Your hands are dirty. Kasiogi disappeared from your country. Please, no more Jamal Kasiogi.
No more Jamal Khashoggi.
No more Jamal Kasiogi. Say no to Jamal Kasiogi. Say no to animal Jamal Kasiogi victims. We are not ready for another Jamal Kasiogi. Please produce Fred Lumbuye, dead or alive.
It's been 13 days.
To us, it's been 13 days. We've been coming to you with no answer. All you do is just to peep to us through the windows. No, that doesn't help.
They should act professional.
Act professional instead of peeping us to us in the windows.
You're representing the supremacy of Turkey. So we expect that you behave maturely, come out and talk to us. It's been 13 days. Where are you?
We are just looking for a missing person whom we reported to you in your country. And up to now, you've never come out clean and tell us.
Who they have even acknowledged?
You acknowledge that you have him, but he's nowhere in any detention. prison. He's not in your prisons. He's not in your police cells. Where is he? Please,
Maybe it's in the...
We are begging for an answer. That's all we are looking for. Just an answer for a missing person that we reported to you. A missing person that we reported in your country. And you acknowledge that you had him in your detention. But he's nowhere 13 days. You are not producing him. Please, if it's all attend, we are ready to pay. No more to another come out as your gift. Come out clean. Clear your name. Your name is being tarnished.
Hey, how's it going, sir?
Yes, boss.
Secret Service. We're just
It's okay.
we just collect information about your name of your group and the cause.
So, what's your recording up? Yes.
You have a name for your group? NUP, that stands for National Unity Platform.
And we are here to remind the Turkish government about the kidnapping of our brother Fred Lumbuye Ku.
This one here?
He was kidnapped 13 days ago.
So you're protesting the kidnapping of your brother?
Yes.
That he was kidnapped with Turkish territory.
Okay.
But I also don't want to say that he was a refugee.
Okay. Protest of the kidnapping of...
Yes.
We don't take names. We'll just say that protest of the kidnapping of refugees. Is the June here, are you expecting more people?
Just sign.
Talked to any media outlets or have you told them about this? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Do you plan on going anywhere else in the city today, like down to the White House or anything?
No.
NBC about getting a permit for it?
Apply for
So you don't, it's normally if you plan on like blocking traffic or if you plan on like going down to the White House, you have to make movements and things like that. You don't need one. And do you plan on doing any civil disobedience?
No.